Good evening, everyone. I'm happy to introduce our speaker, founder of Noble Transformation Hub, self taught computer scientist and artificial intelligence scientist, and superconscious expert who work with global Fortune 500 company, General Electric, and Wipro Technologies. He has been doing transformation skills development programs and research on business case studies, 21st century skills, future skills, and technology research from the last 14 years globally. He has done 400 plus business and technology trainings programs from Harvard Medical School and Harvard University, other organizations. He spent around $75,000 on his career and courses, certifications, and global project based skills. He has been doing research on computer architecture, quantum computing, artificial intelligence, blockchain, and future technologies. He believes in win win decision making and achieves the goals, objectives as per the lifelong vision. Also, he is an active athlete. He's been participating in Wipro runs and other marathons for the last 10 years. I humbly welcome Dr. Noble Arya, sir, starting this event reinforcement learning use cases organized by AI and Robotics Club. Now I request everyone to keep yourself muted and at the end of the session we will have the Q&A. Thank you sir. I hand it over to you now.
Thank you so much, everyone, and I'm really honored to share my experience and skills and knowledge with you guys because you are future leaders, and we all need to work towards uh, this mission to create new innovative technologies, applications, projects, and all these things. Okay, then we can use AWS Deep. It is an autonomous racing car that has been designed to test out RL in a physical track. Okay, it uses camera to visualize the runway. Like if you have seen, there are big trucks also in US. They've started doing it. So they have, like, human eye can see only to an extent, but the cameras with high optical power and machine learning, reinforcement learning power, they can go to any extent, 360-degree. They can go and see what's happening and make decisions based on that, and so that the accident and the anomalies are not there. Okay, a reinforcement learning model controls a direction. Okay, you can go to wave.ai. They have some good research, has successfully applied reinforcement learning to train a car on how to drive in a day. Okay, in a day you can you can see they have applied this. They have a project. They used a deep reinforcement learning algorithm to tackle the lane following task. Okay, their network architect was a deep network with four conventional layers and three fully connected layers. So you can go to wave.ai on Google and check this project and see that what they have done. And okay, initially you don't have to go too deep into coding and all. And AI is not about coding all. It's a philosophy. First, you need to understand the aspects. Okay, it is a philosophy. It is not only coding. It's not only stat. It is not only machine learning. It's also about soft skills. It's also about emotional intelligence. So it is a holistic thing. Okay, so we have to consider human aspects. We have to consider animal aspects. We have to consider 360 life aspects while developing any application, while developing any algorithm, while developing any software, anything. It's not purely a coding thing. Coding is there. A lot of people are doing coding, but they don't have vision. They don't have that humanness. Are they solving real problems? That is the main essence. Are we creating a win-win algorithms which serves humanity or saves humanity, also does the purpose of solving problems, AI, legal problems, corruption, business problems, social intelligence. Are we able to, like, can we develop a technology which will remove biasness in our systems? That is the real essence of education. And can we develop such systems which will take humanity to a next level, a complete transformation? Okay, so let's go to